Today I'm sharing something very exciting, the new DEEBOT X1 OMNI from Ecovacs Robotics. If you've been following along over on Instagram, you'll have seen that I recently moved out of my tiny 50 square meter home and into a much larger 5-bedroom house. Of course, a larger home means more time spent cleaning, but to be honest, I hadn't really considered how much of my time it would actually be taking out of my day. The vacuuming alone was taking me well over an hour, and I found I was often needing to vacuum twice a day, especially with my 2 little chihuahuas running around. The Omni is designed to be a truly hands-free cleaning experience, so not only does it vacuum and mop, it also cleans itself, which saves even more time. It's literally been saving me anywhere from 10 to 20 hours of cleaning a week. The DEEBOT X1 OMNI is designed to be a piece of art, so it just looks beautiful in your home, has a very sleek and high-end finish. I love that it blends in seamlessly with my home. Something that really sets the Omni apart from other robot vacuums is the inbuilt voice assistant. So you can tell it what to do with your voice. This technology is actually a first in its industry. The voice assist is a complete game changer. With my voice alone, I can ask the Omni to clean specific areas. Okay, Yiko, go and vacuum the living room.
Okay, stop current task and start area cleaning.
I find this function especially useful if I'm doing something in a particular room and I don't want the vacuum buzzing around my feet. I don't have to stop what I'm doing and reach for my phone and open an app. I can literally just ask her to go and clean another area with my voice. This is especially helpful when you have your hands full. What impresses me the most though is that the Omni cleans itself. Yes, you heard me right, it cleans itself, saving me even more time. When it returns to the base station, it empties the dustbin, cleans and dries the mopping pads, and refills itself with fresh water, ready for the next clean, and all without me having to do anything. The dustbin empties into a disposable dust bag located at the base station, so there's no having to empty the vacuum after every clean. This also means no having to deal with dust flying everywhere when it comes time to dispose of the dust bag. I have bronchial asthma and I'm highly allergic to dust, so this feature gets a huge tick of approval from me. And then in the top section of the base station, you have your mopping water. So you have 2 containers, one for the dirty water and one for the clean water. Another fun feature is the built-in camera, which can be controlled remotely from your phone. I love using this feature to check in on Charlotte and Moon and seeing what they're up to when I'm not at home. The detection on the Omni is absolutely amazing. It's able to scan, identify and avoid objects like cables and especially my house dog toys. Moon is always leaving his toys all over the house. This means no getting tangled or dragging things around. Another great feature is the 3D map. This allows you to select specific furniture and rugs you'd like Yiko to clean. My living room rug gets a lot of foot traffic and is the main area my dogs like to play, so I'll often have Yigo give the rug a quick vacuum throughout the day. It's been so relaxing letting Yigo take over the cleaning and freeing up my time to do the things that I love, like spending my mornings snuggled up on the couch with a warm cup of tea and all of the puppy cuddles.